Opening the skies, SpaceX and the revolution of astronomy. Look up. What do you see? Stars. Galaxies. Infinite space. It's been the fascination of mankind for millennia. Enter SpaceX. Elon Musk's pioneering company is transforming the way we explore the cosmos, altering perspectives like never before. Imagine getting satellite data directly on your cell, anytime, anywhere. That's the goal of SpaceX's Starlink project. A connected, accessible universe. But it's not just about connectivity. It's about discovery. SpaceX is democratizing space exploration, enabling people to reach further than ever. What does this mean for astronomy? A revolution. SpaceX's work could lead to unprecedented insights into our universe, redefining our place in it. In the end, SpaceX isn't just changing the game. It's rewriting the rules. And in this vast, cosmic playground, everyone gets to play.